Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and for my tech friends, I just got myself a new daily driver. That's right, 12th gen i7 sporting a 3070 under the hood. For my regular friends, that just means I got myself a gaming computer. So today I'm actually going to show off some of my gaming prowess, just to kind of show you my new rig and show it off a little bit. So I will see you in a moment. Alright, my friends, I am playing some Thetan Arena today. Yeah, baby. Oh. Wait. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. There we go. Wonder if I get over to their side. Boom. Boom. Oh man, I'm pulling that Team Fortress 2 move where you go over and you just shoot them in their own base. Boy, 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 boy. Try to have it and increase your power significantly. Okay, let's see. Oh, there we go, there we go. Whoa! Ready? Hold up. Yeah! Yo! Yo! Wait. Damn, no! I shot it the wrong way! Oh wow, okay, this is pretty fun, I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty addicting. Let's try another game. As you can tell, I have my little anonymous guy, little Guy Fawkes mask fella. Okay, that was really fun. Let's try this again. Oh, cool. Alright, and then you can check things out in the shop as well, by the way, which is cool, because they give you some stuff in here. So you can, like, claim things. Then you use these tokens to, you know, buy different stuff. Let's try again. That was a lot of fun, actually. I think I got the hang of it this time, too. Alright, let's see here. Alright, I think I got it this time. I kept messing up because I was using my F wrong, but I got it this time. Boom! Come on, baby. Here we go. I'm about to get an F. Let's see. I'm gonna use and abuse this one. Come on, I got this one. I got this one, baby. Oh, I sent that the wrong way. Yes, I sure did. Boom. Got him. Let's see what I get out of this box. I'm just going to focus on this for now. Come on, come on. Give me some good. Give me some good. Oh. What does that do? I did it. I got him. Get him with an F! Get him with an F! Wow, this game is so unbelievably addicting. Alright, click that. Gonna get you with an F right here at the end. Oh! I was so close. Man, this is a really good game, I'm not gonna lie. I was the MVP of my game. Look at me. I'm number one. I'm number one. I'm only... Well, excuse me. I'm number 266,044. But that means I'm better than number 266,045, so just putting it out there. Well, this is really fun, actually. So addicting. I wonder if it's different skins provide different stuff. Let's check this out. Oh, I just realized you guys can't really hear the music, can you? Sorry about that, but I'll have my background music on. Okay, so we got different skills here. Okay, let's try that. I can choose a bunch of different stuff. Oh, I don't have enough for that. So instead of that, yeah, let's go with these. And we're gonna change up our hero. I like this guy a lot. Ooh, okay, we're shaking it up. All right, great. Oh, cool. I think these are, yeah, these are real people, I think. Oh, this guy's got crazy rocket. Oh, yeah. Okay, these are real competitors. All right, let's try this. Oh, hello, enemies. Come on, that didn't kill anyone? Aw. He's taunting me. He's absolutely taunting me. Oh, well, I found the health. Come on, give me some cool, give me some cool. Yeah, keep hitting that, thank you. This guy's helping me out a lot, actually. Wait, I got you. Oh, man. I think I got those guys right before I ended, though. No. Dang, I didn't. I'm going to kill steal from you. Oops. I love this butler, like, look. Ooh, let's see what this has. Excuse you. Okay. Oh, I shot him directly with my power move. That's crazy. I see, I gotta hit those, so let's try R. Come on, get him with the F. Get him with the F. Oh, I had it. I had it. I was so close. Here we go, boys. Oh, he was guarded. Oh, man. Oh. I'm gonna get you. How did he get me through my shield? Ah. Alright, I gotta use the most that I can in the last few seconds. If I keep shooting, maybe I'll get power-ups. No! No, don't disrespect me like that. I got it, I got it. I got this F. Ah. Oh, no. No. That was a lot of fun, though. That was a lot more fun than against the computers. That was crazy. Wow. Well, my friends, that is Thetan Arena. I just wanted to do some gameplay on that one with you today. So, as always, thank you so much for coming by the channel. My name is Freddy Colton, and I will see you in the next video.